Hi, welcome back to my channel, Unfiltered and Evolving Beauty. I'm Deanna, and today's video is based off of my new video series, Ask Me Anything, that I'm doing on Instagram with my friends and my clients. So if you don't already follow me on Instagram, let's connect there. I'm at Unfiltered and Evolving Beauty. Today's question that I'm answering is, can you do more Gua Sha tutorials? Of course I can. So today I'm going to demo a very easy and basic Gua Sha routine for beginners. As some of you may already know, I've been in the beauty industry as a makeup artist for over 30 years. And now that I'm in my 50s, I'm just sharing all of my beauty knowledge as well as when I'm continuing to learn as I evolve, because we never stop learning, right? So before we start, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And then also in the comments, let me know, do you already have a Gua Sha routine? Do you love it like I do? What Gua Sha products do you like to use? Because I don't know everything and I love learning from my friends and my clients. So please share, and thank you for sharing. Doing Gua Sha is a regular part of my skincare, self-care routine, and I'm always trying to improve on taking that time just for me, because we're all so busy, trying to do all the things, of course. So it's really important to put that time aside just to take care of yourself. If you're not already familiar, Gua Sha is a traditional Chinese medicine practice using a tool usually made of stone, and it's used to scrape and massage the skin, working with the fascia. You can also use it across the whole body as a healing practice as well, usually done with a trained professional. But you can totally do a basic, simple facial Gua Sha routine like this at home, like a lot of us do. There are many different in-depth techniques out there, and I like sharing this one because it's really quick and easy. And also, any age of person can do this practice. It's very beneficial. It helps with inflammation, promotes radiance and lifts and firms. It also helps with any kind of jaw tension in the face. So many benefits by doing this practice. The products that I'm going to share are going to be in the video description. And if you do click on the link, I do earn a small commission, but I promise you, all the products that I share in my videos, I do purchase them myself unless I mention otherwise. So the first thing you're going to do is apply a product that adds slip so that your stone that you're going to use will glide nice and easily and not tug or pull, because we don't need any of that tugging and pulling. So the products I'm going to show you is what I like to use. This is the Naturium Purple Ginseng Cleansing Balm. I think it's reasonably priced, so I don't feel guilty using this for my Gua Sha. I like using my higher end ones at night, so because I know I'll probably sleep in it, but I do like this product. And then I also like the FutureWise Slug Balm for it. It has great slip. This is fabulous for slugging. I love it. Then you can also use a face oil. The two that I like to go between is the Marula Face Oil, and that's from Trader Joe's. This is a really very reasonably priced product, and I like to use this during the day, especially when I know I'm going to layer on top of it. Sometimes I might even wipe it off, but I don't feel as guilty with that. And then the Beautycounter All Bright Brightening Facial Oil. I indulge a little more with this. This is one of my favorites just because not only does it smell divine, but it has so many amazing ingredients in it. So anyway, so you're just going to pick your product, and I'm going to use the Naturium Purple Ginseng Cleansing Balm. What I'm going to do is apply it all over, everywhere, because that stone is going to glide in all the right places. I even put a little bit on my neck as well. Okay, so a tip here is to be very gentle with your stones. Don't just slam them on the counter because they are fragile. Look here, I had only used it a couple of times. I got this, I don't know, a few years ago, and it chipped because I dropped it on the counter. So be very gentle with these. To use the Wilding Stone, and as you can see, it has many different sides on it. So I'm just gonna kind of go through it as I'm showing and demoing it for you. I usually like to start right here on the forehead, and the sweet number seems to be 5, so 5 swipes. Okay, so I'm just gonna go just like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this really doesn't take that long. I love doing it in the morning because I'm puffy. So this helps with any kind of puffiness, helps with any kind of tension in the face. And as I show you through the jawline right here, especially right here where I tighten. I don't know if you grind your teeth. I wear a mouth guard, but I still get really tight right here. So it helps with loosening the tension. And then I'm going to do one side of my face so you can see the difference, because it really does help with that fluid buildup and any kind of sinus pressure. It really helps alleviates that. You can also do it at night as well, just to take away the day, get prepared for bed. That whole self-care ritual really is helpful for that. Again, I just did right there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm just going to move along the forehead. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to want to use light to medium pressure, not too hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I like working on my 11s, and that's why I like doing it in the morning, because I can really lessen the appearance of them. Of course, we're evolving, but there are just an aging, and I know that you can't stop that, but I just want to, you know, my 11s, that's one of the things that bothers me. So I'm going to take, again, this flat side of the stone, and I forgot to mention that I'm using the flat side, and I'm going right through here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm probably doing more medium pressure, as you can see. And it's almost like I'm holding them apart. Okay, so now I'm working on the other 11. 1, 2, 5. Again, 5. Oh, just feels so good. I don't know. It just feels very therapeutic doing this, very soothing. Okay, so as I go around the eye area, I'm going to be really gentle. You can do eye technique, and I will show you a little bit, but you want to be really gentle from the tugging and pulling and make sure you have enough product for that slip. Okay, so now I'm going to do right here. Again, I'm still using that flat side. I'm holding my nose, holding my skin taut, so it's like this, and I go just 1. Yes. Now, if I want to do some sculpting, so I can do that, but I want to do a little extra sculpting right in the cheekbone. That's where I'm going to take this curved side. And since I have a little scrapey scrape when I broke the stone or chipped the stone, I'm going to use the other side so I don't scrape my skin. So again, I'm holding this taut right by my nose. I'm looking into my mirror as well, and I'm going up this way. Just at an angle. And again. Look at that. Looks great. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the flat side, and I'm going to do this side. All right. And now I'm going to go back to the curved side, and now I'm going to go right along my jawline. This is probably my most favorite part, because I do grind my teeth at night, and this really helps with that tension right in my jaw. Once I get, so I'm going to glide it along my jawline, and once I get right here, I'm going to just wiggle it a little bit. This feels the best. And then I'm going to bring it down just like this. And this is going right here. This part is really going to help with that fluid and just helping release that and that inflammation. So that's why I go down just like that. But again, be gentle, okay? So I'm going to do this 5 times. Right there, loosen up my jaw and down. And again, holding my skin taut. Can you see? See the difference? Just really helps with that puffiness. Okay, so now if I want to kind of go back and fine tune, because again, we're going to repeat that on this side. Now we can do a little bit of eye work, especially right through here. So I'm going to take one of these like rounded, softer ends, and I'm just going to gently go like this around the eye, gently, right here. And that's probably light pressure. I'm not even going light to medium, but light pressure, okay? But now I'm going to take this side and then I'm going to work. I hate saying crow's feet, but that's what they are. I kind of just go in circular motion. This just feels really good to me. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to do it on the other side, but can you see the difference? Just a little bit of sculpting really helps with the puffiness, but yeah. Like I said, it's just so therapeutic and soothing. Okay, now to the other side. Free therapy. Seriously. So now at the end of this, I would either sleep in this mask or I would take warm towel to remove this, but I'd give it a little bit, just let it rest a little bit, and then know that I'm ready for the day or I'm ready for bed. So I like to end my self-care ritual with the Maya Chia, the Optimist Essence Spray. It's just very soothing and calming. It's very hydrating as well, but I just love the smell of it. So sometimes I'll put it on throughout the day if I need to chill a little bit, but also it gives that hydration as well. So that's it. Do you feel all zen now? Again, you can do this during the day, you can do it at night, whatever works for you. Thank you for taking the time out to watch this video today. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button. It would mean so much. And feel free to share this video with anyone else that you think that might like it as well. And don't forget to subscribe for future videos, especially for my Ask Me Anything video series. If you do have a question and you want me to answer, put it in the comments. I just might answer it for you. Anyway, I hope to see you next video, and please don't forget to take care of you.